Today we're looking at the transpose function in Microsoft Excel. The transpose function allows you to shift or convert from rows to columns and vice versa. This means it allows you to take data in a vertical format and change it to a horizontal format, or vice versa, to take data from a horizontal format and change it into a vertical format. You can do this for a single column or row, or you can do it across multiple columns or rows. So let's start by taking these names in this column here, and then we'll transpose them across multiple columns over here. And so we'll open up our transpose function and then select our data, and then you can see the names are populating across those columns there. So we can also do this with multiple columns. So we'll take our same transpose function and then select our data set here. And then you can see that now we have both the names and the sales populating now in columns instead of in rows. One thing to note before we go further is if you do have data over here that will interfere. So let's start here. Let's just put some test data here. And so if we try to do this function again, it won't work because we have some data in the way. And so I'll give you this error spill, and it says spill range isn't blank. And so if that happens, you just need to make sure you clear out any data that may be in the way, so that allows it to fill properly. All right, so next let's look at this other case, which is the same thing, just in reverse. So that way you can help visualize what is going on here. So we'll open up our transpose function again, and then we'll select our data, this time in a horizontal format, and now it is displayed in vertical format. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out Coefficient's suite of software tools, which are designed to seamlessly integrate with Excel and amplify its capabilities.